Hey guys, Bus31 here, and today we're gonna do a bus route in the 2019 Bluebird Vision. So I'm still at home for some reason. I'm still home. So I'm gonna continue doing bus vlogs in the game. And today we're gonna do high school route in the 2019 Bluebird Vision. How you guys doing? I'm doing great. I'm just doing my route right now. I'm just going back to Kentucky games. You see, I'm just doing a gameplay. This is a pretty cool bus. Like, I'm not lying. This bus is pretty good. We got my first high school student. So you can see the interior is more like a Bluebird Vision design. This is like a model from 2019. The model build was 2019 when this officially built, or 2020 it was built. This Bluebird in-bed bus was built in 2019. And it was mostly the bus for 2019, and it lasted till 2021. The sound is still alive, but the radio only lasted till 2022. Only lasted until 2022 for the update, for the Roblox update. Unfortunately, due to the Roblox update that just happened in 2022, it kind of removed all the features to the old radio right here. It means it deleted all the music in the bus. No new radio, all that stuff, all that radio features in there is now gone. No other, this bus is, mostly, the good news, it does have sound. This vehicle idle sound. The good news, it does have sound. And it's also a storage Bluebird Vision, also. I think some of their Bluebird Visions actually have storage. So stay tuned to the video, even though I just did 150 subscribers with the Bus 25 2007 Max Force 6.4, or yeah, it is a 6.4 liter Max 7, and yeah, I'm not sure I'm pretty sure hopefully next week I might able to do a bus vlog on a school bus. I don't know if I could. I don't know. It depends on what the driver is, and you know, because sometimes I do a daily vlog on the school bus, but it's not gonna be easy because well, because the bus is it's a pack full of kids, so that's gonna be an issue. Because we have to do vlogs. So yeah, I think that probably released 1.6. I'm pretty sure. Yes, I'm pretty sure I did. So I'm gonna do a bus video on the school buses, and also I want to let you know the update for Saturday student transportation. It will include a new thumbnail, a new icon. We did have new thumbnails the other day, but it will acquire new icons for the game. But you will see. And also the the group icon will be updated again. Well, for the second time. Even though it just has a picture of the real replica of the real bus. Of a Saddle Lake bus. So actually, yeah, most of the ICCEs are, yeah, but the problem is it's bus shortages. It is a big problem for the district itself. So we don't know if we're gonna do any vlogs, or might have to wait in the future. I'm just saying, because this might get a little harder on me, but also we're gonna do a bit of bus routes. But if you watch the video of Robin, Texas, I did a vlog. I made a video from an old game from 2021. Well, back in the day, I used to play it a little bit, but I don't remember, or I don't know how I could play it easily, because there is only like 6 other schools. There's 2 other schools in one game, which that's insane, because like obviously if there was a option to make a game, that's gonna take a little bit of time, because The reason why it will take a little longer time because of the it's due to a lack of so yeah, I guess I can think about playing it and then I decided not to play it anymore after that. So you guys, how you doing? I'm doing great. I'm just chilling in my house. Absolutely doing not much, but doing vlogs for you guys and things I can try to do just to keep up with you guys, because I don't want the audience to be let down. Yeah, those are the latest updates right now. But it's not easy to do development at the same time. Staying home, development, stay home, development, whatever. It's not really easy. It's also not really easy to work online because online is like not the thing that much. It was a thing in 2020 in the beginning, but as COVID dies, people start coming in and the online thing is already over. Those days are over. Those online days are over. But if I'm wrong, just let me know comments below. Okay, now we're starting the intersection. Let's take a left. Might as well go to school. And I'll do a Starlight video coming up. Just stay tuned. We're gonna do a PM route. I'm gonna let you know what we're gonna be driving, but it'll be a different bus. The game had a little update, but not too much. You'll see. Stay tuned, guys. And also, I want to give you a tour before we start the video because I just want to know. But anyways, I'm gonna get on my bus and I should open the gates because the kids are coming. More like the mature kids come out. Go get off the bus. So you guys, you can see I'm all right now, waiting to get off and then get back on board. Okay, all the kids are coming out. See you in the next video, folks. Bye.